Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to add music to your Facebook profile. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. So to add music to your Facebook profile, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after you open your Facebook, next, I want you to go to your profile. And once you're on your profile, next, I want you to go to see your about info. Then after that, scroll down until you see music. Once you see it, you can now tap add music. And after that, you will be directed to your music collection. So to add a music to your collection, just tap the plus button on the top right corner. Then after that, you can now search for the music that you want to add. And once you've found the music, just go and tap it to add it into your collection. And after that, the music will now be in your collection. So now that it's in your collection, you can now pin it into your profile just like this. So to do that, just tap the three dots on the right. Then after that, you will now see the pin to profile option. Just tap it to pin the music into your profile. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now pinned the music into your profile. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.